Hello everybody, it's your boy Revan, and in this video, I'm going to give you a little update on what the hell I've been doing recently, because y'all haven't seen me in over a week. I know I've been trying to post videos about every week, but I tried posting something yesterday, but that didn't work out due to, storage problems on my phone. But anyway, I'm here to show off. Y'all have seen this model, I'm sure, this green Peterbilt 389. Yep, I call it the Green Saber. I know it's a GTA San Andreas reference, but this is the first DCP model I picked up, the Die-Cast Promotion Company. It's the very first high-quality 1/64th scale semi-model I picked up, and yeah. And I've been picking up more ever since, or not really that, but I know I showed off a bright yellow Peterbilt 389 with a huge sleeper on it. I have yet to show off this particular trailer, though. This is just a normal dry van box trailer, and it's got opening, the rear doors open, which is pretty nice. Not every DCP trailer features that. Look at that. Look at all the space in there. You can fit a lot in there. All right, let's hook her up. There you go. And I'm also going to show you what I've done with my Ford F-650, my 3D printed Ford F-650 I got from Shapeways. I ended up getting some Lego pieces, gluing them on, and making an M2 Browning emplacement or turret on the truck bed. Pretty cool, right? I wanted this Ford F-650 to look like a Humvee or like a Taliban terrorist truck or wherever the hell. And yeah, that's how it looks. And it can rotate 360 degrees, which is my favorite part. There's a really nice feature about that. And yeah, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Revan Skywalker, and that was my double feature of big rigs. I will see you next time. Bye. And look at this shiny thing. I might review this in a future video. This is a brass bull bar I got for like this type of semi. All right, see you next time.